This is an advisor analyst tutorial on the use of customized statistics within accounts chart. In this video, you'll learn how to use the grid specification property to give customized statistics in a accounts chart. Specific examples include finding the mean, sum, and the unique count of a field. Throughout this video, we will be using the mutual funds demo that ships with the software. To find customized statistics, we will use the grid specification property within the accounts chart. The grid specification is a special alternative syntax that defines the rows and columns of the accounts chart. In the mutual funds demo, the chart portfolio stats selected funds is an example of a accounts chart that is defined using the grid specification property. To access the grid specification property, open the chart toolbar by clicking on the bottom left of the chart. Then click on the Advanced Chart Properties. The Chart Properties pane opens on the right, and you can see the location to specify the grid specification. Let's expand out this pane to get a better view. The string row defines the beginning of a new row in the chart. Subsequent items define the content of successive columns within the chart. The items can either be a label string surrounded by double quotes or a statistic on one of the fields. In this example, stats or number of funds are label strings. In the counts chart, they show up as static values in the selected column. Note that the double quote with no space in between shows as an empty string, but it is necessary to specify for there to be two columns. Statistics are specified with a number, then statistic. The initial number is the index of the field in the chart data specification, which is shown above the grid specification property and can be ranged between 1 through 9. A complete list of possible statistics can be found by going to the counts chart help within Advisor Help Central. Some of the more useful statistics include unique, mean, and sum. For each of these statistics, you can further specify whether the statistics should be calculated for all non-excluded rows or just the selected rows. In this example, 1.SumSelected indicates that it will display the sum of the values of the selected rows for the number funds field, which happens to be the first one up here. Expanding this out a little bit more, 4.SumSelected indicates that it will display the sum of the values of the selected rows for the fourth field listed, which in this case is the net assets field. Let's try creating one ourselves. Go to the Author ribbon, click on Add New Page, and then press OK. Then, Add New Chart, and click on the Counts chart, and then close the dialog box. In the data configuration, check the number of funds field and the volatility, and then press OK. Open the chart toolbar by clicking on the bottom left-hand corner of the chart, and then access the Advanced Properties by clicking on the Advanced Chart Properties button. Now try typing in the following: row, double quote, statistic, double quote, row, total number of funds portfolio, 1.rows, row, number funds selected, double quote, one dot sum selected, row, average volatility, double quote, then 2 dot mean selected. Then press enter. This creates a grid specification counts chart with 4 rows and 2 columns. The first row labels the 2 columns, statistic and value, and then the next 3 rows contains the corresponding labels and calculated statistics. To learn more about the grid specification or other advanced chart properties, check out the rest of the Advisor Help Central page.